آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں روشن پاکستان نیوز.
But very, very gradually they decided to bring the locals, as they call it, or natives, or we the people who they categorize as the other side. And it was not really till World War I, 1914 to 1919, when about over 1.5 million Indians of that time took part in their major war. The Great War is known as, that they decided to bring us on board in terms of governance and administration of what today is the subcontinent of South Asia. Two political events happened. One in the 1880s when Congress was formed as a party, and in 1906 when the All India Muslim League came into being as a political party. Congress party was set up by a former civil servant by the name of Hume. The All India Muslim League was set up by His Highness the Aga Khan. They learnt as they went along in the parties and their leadership of participation in the future of what transpired to evolve as the nation states of Pakistan and India and now Bangladesh. Sri Lanka came along, Nepal came along, Sikkim came along. Afghanistan was always a nation state of SARC, now the 8 members. Maldives is there. But as the struggle for independence was there, the political ethic, the political ethos, the political evolution of the locals vis-a-vis the then superpower, Britain was the superpower at that time, and it developed as a superpower on the basis of the Industrial Revolution of 1760 to 1789, when 25% of the world's GDP was in the hands of Britain. And that is why they dominated. They controlled the oceans of the world. The British Navy controlled the oceans of the world, and this is how the impact